Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this given case, vector A is 8 meters and is in downward direction, and vector D makes an angle of 53 degrees with x-axis and has a length of 10 meters. This is our vector A and this is our vector D, our x-axis and y-axis. Now, vector A can be written as minus 8j cap, which is pretty obvious. Whereas vector D needs some work. Vector D has a negative x component and a positive y component, and it makes an angle of 53 degrees with y-axis, and hence its y component would be 10 cos 53 j hat, and its x component would be 10 sine 53 I hat. But because the x component is negative, we put another minus sign here, and D turns out to be minus 7.99 I hat plus 6.09 j hat. Now, we want to find out A cross B. Now, A cross B is simply, we do it term by term. It's minus AJ cross minus 7.99 I plus 6.09 j hat, which is minus 8 into minus 7.99 into j cross I plus minus 8 into 6.09 multiplied by j cross j. We know that j cross j is 0 because j is parallel to itself, and this turns out to be 63.92. J cross I is minus k hat, which is minus 63.92 k hat. Similarly, this is D. D cross A is minus 7.99 I hat plus 6.09 j hat cross minus 8 j hat. Now this would be minus 7.99 into minus 8 I cross j plus 6.09 into minus 8 j cross j. Now again j cross j is 0 and I cross j is k hat, which gives us 63.92 k hat. Hence, A cross D has a magnitude of 63.92 meters square, which is 63.9 meters square if we round it down, and has a direction in terms of minus z-axis, the negative z-axis. Whereas D cross A has the same magnitude, 63.92 meters square, but has the direction along plus z-axis. It can be also seen from using the right hand rule. A cross D, for A cross D, you would place your 4 fingers along A and curl them towards D, and then your finger would point inwards, which would be along minus Z axis. Whereas for D cross A, when you put your fingers along D and go towards A, your thumb would point toward out of the page, which would be positive Z axis. But the magnitude, of course, in both cases would be the same, because A cross D is minus D cross A, which is obvious here.